Hey, did you hear about the new Xiaomi Mi 11 smartphone? Yeah, that is the first smartphone to launch with the Snapdragon 888. Not only that, they nail every aspect from the display to the performance and the battery life. Wow, that's great. So, should the users wait for the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro or just buy the Xiaomi Mi 11? To get the answer, let's get right into the video. Okay, so Xiaomi launched the Xiaomi Mi 11 on December 28th of 2020. It was the first smartphone to be launched with the Snapdragon 888 chipset. Now, I'll be telling you a bit on the Snapdragon 888 chipset. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 is the flagship processor launched by Qualcomm for the year 2021. It takes everything to the next level.
Maybe.
So first of all, considering the 5G speeds. The 5G speeds are incredibly fast. It has a maximum speed of 7.5 gigabytes per second. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, 5G and even Bluetooth audio. Qualcomm claims that it has taken the biggest ever leap in AI. It has a completely redesigned 6th generation AI engine with the Qualcomm Hexagon 780 processor. And also, as usual, it has some performance updates too. Talking about the security, this chipset has the Type 1 hypervisor security. To know more on this chipset, check out Qualcomm's website. I'll be giving the link to that in the description box below. Okay, so now coming back to the device itself. This device has a 2K Quad AMOLED display with a maximum brightness of 1500 nits. So I don't think anyone will be having any problem under the bright sunlight. This device has a 120Hz refresh rate and an ultra-fast 480Hz touch sampling rate. And I also want to mention that this display got an A+ certification for calibration from DisplayMate. This display is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and I think that's the best anyone could get. Moving on to the cameras. This device has a 108 megapixel 8K main camera with optical image stabilization to give you the best in class photos. Along with that, it has a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 5 megapixel macro lens. I just find these 5 megapixel macro lenses a gimmick to just add an extra lens. This is not only to Xiaomi but all other smartphone brands doing the same. It has a 20 megapixel punch-hole selfie camera. Xiaomi also tell that the Xiaomi Mi 11 will be coming in with a very powerful built-in video editing software. By the way, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Talking about the battery, the Xiaomi Mi 11 is powered by a 4600 mAh battery. This battery can be charged either using a 55 watt wired charger or a 50 watt wireless charger. Xiaomi claims to have the wireless charging the fastest ever in a mass-produced device. The latter can charge the phone in 50 minutes and the former in 45 minutes. Okay, so now this might be a bit funny. Apple recently didn't give the charger in the box in the iPhone 12 series for environmental measures. And that time, Xiaomi and various other brands trolled Apple for not giving the charger. And now, they seem to have realized that it was a really good idea. Yup, you guessed it right. Xiaomi Mi 11 does not come with a charger in the box. Okay, so now coming to the sound quality. This device has a stereo speaker setup offered by Harman Kardon. Okay, but right now I don't have any sound samples, so maybe I could make a video on that later. Okay, so now should you go for the Xiaomi Mi 11 or wait for the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro? The Xiaomi Mi 11 is a pretty solid and an all-round phone. It already has all high-end specs you would expect from a flagship. Maybe you should wait for the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro if you want a no punch-hole camera. Yes, Xiaomi last year said that their under-display camera technology will be ready for mass production by 2021. And looking at the leaks, it looks like it's gonna be happening in the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro. So, the Xiaomi Mi 11 is expected to come to India by Feb this year and is expected to be priced around the 45k mark. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. This is Siddharth and you're watching SidTech. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.